Similarly, the per capita income of the state rose from 1,12,162 in 2013 and 14 to from 1,12,162 in 2013 and 14 to 3,47,299 in the year 23-24. If I am wrong, I may be corrected. Sir, if the state economy was badly run and the state finances were mismanaged, then how do you explain the progress of Telangana in the last 10 years? How do you explain it, sir? So I am not coming for a rescue of the BRS party, sir. No, not at all, sir. Sir, I am bringing these figures and giving this message to the investors who are interested to come in the state that our state is progressing, our state health is very good, you can come, you can invest. But if we are going to just for political gains, target, and just say that the state is in a bad state, state is in a very bad financial state, then how the investors would be coming? Sir, when I say this, sir, sir, I'm so saddened. I had seen a picture in which I saw that Honorable Chief Minister Saab was handing over the budget ka jo bag hota hai, basta hota hai. He was handing it over to Bhatti Saab. Bhatti Saab was there, ministers were there. Good. But I'm sure that Honorable Chief Minister Saab also might be part of the preparation of the budget. But I'm so surprised, sir. I'm so surprised when I spoke about the foreign investment or any investors coming. Sir, Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Revant Reddy Saab, I think in one or two occasions, my learned friend, my colleague, my Minister Sridhar Babu Saab also was there with him. He had gone to Davos, right? And we have broken all the records. 40,232 crores of investment had come to Telangana. Am I right or wrong, sir? If I am wrong, Honorable Minister can, rise and interrupt me and stop me from this. So to my surprise, sir, and to the surprise of the House, not a single line has been mentioned in the budget. Arey, aapka achievement hai sahab ye. When I said that, I am willing to give you the time. I am willing to give you the time, and a new government requires a time to settle down, to take a decisions. But in no given time, you sign an agreement, you get an investment of 40,000, and that 40,000 doesn't have a place in the budget. So don't you think that this is a height of ignorance? Don't you think this needs to be corrected? And I'm saddened. I've been hearing the Congress, I've been hearing the finance minister, I've been hearing so many ministers rebutting and countering. But unfortunately, not a single member from the Congress rose and said that, sir, this is our achievement in such a short time.
Sir, I would like to bring to the notice of honorable member, sir. Sir, in the month of February, where we had the vote on account session, we mentioned this aspect. We mentioned the achievement of this state. And we were very clear, and we thought, and we have put, this is a broad-based, outlook we have presented on behalf of the government here. And in fact, the additional sentence would have made an impact that is been rightly be taken, but we have already reflected in our earlier presentation of the budget in the February. I would like to bring to the notice of the kind member.
Honorable panel speaker, sir, I thank Honorable Minister, learned Minister for Legislative Affairs for replying to me. But sir, I have a doubt. He said that it was mentioned. It should have been mentioned here also. तो मैं ये जानना चाह रहा हूँ, मेरे दिल में ख्याल आ रहा है, हो सकता है कि कई लोगों के दिल में भी ख्याल होगा कि वो सही नहीं था 40,000, इसलिए इस मर्तबा करेक्शन करके नहीं लिखे। ऐसा तो नहीं है ना साहब, नहीं है ना साहब। वो भी सच था और मैं जो बोल रहा हूं ये भी सच है जी। नहीं, मैं देखिए, एक आपका अचीवमेंट है जिसको आप भूल गए, मैं आपके सामने ला रहा हूं। इसको तनकीद की नजर से ना देखें, इसको तामीर की नजर से देखें कि मैं आपको कह रहा हूं कि आपका अचीवमेंट है इन अ शॉर्ट टाइम 40,000 सर, इट हैज ब्रोकन ऑल द रिकॉर्ड्स, so this should have had a place in the budget. I know it was mentioned in the Oton account, but many things were mentioned in the Oton account which has been repeated again in this budget also. So this is a mistake which has been done. So let us admit this mistake and say that yes, we have forgotten, we will correct this and we'll make sure that when the Honorable Finance Minister gives a reply, he will mention this, sir. Sir, if the state economy was badly run or mismanaged, sir, then these answers needs to be given, sir. So secondly, sir, Bhatti Saab complains that the previous government was inflating the figures and presenting unrealistic budget which sorely missed their targets. This also appears to be somewhat self-contradictory, sir, as the first full-fledged budget presented by him also contains unrealistic targets for the receipts and grants allocations and outlays, sir. So the full budget was presented almost 5 months after the vote on account budget was tabled in the House. The CAG provisional account for the year 23-24 financial year indicate that the state total receipts were 2,18,715 crores and the total expenditure was 2,11,854 crores. Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, Bhatti Saab has quoted revised estimate for 23-24 while presenting the 24-25 full budget. So I may recall that the Union Finance Minister, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, has presented full-fledged Union budget this month while quoting the provisional account for the year 23-24 financial year. However, Bhatti Saab quotes the revised estimate of receipt of rupees, revised estimate, sir, of rupees 226,095 crores